During this lesson, we're going to explore two aspects of using Google Docs templates and also looking at version history. So I'm going to start in my folder like I like to do, and I'm going to find some pre-formatted templates. Sometimes it's just easier to start with something that's there and edit and add your own information. And sometimes it's better and easier just to start from scratch. So either way, I'm going to go to the New button. Google Docs, when I see this symbol here, it indicates there's more options, and I'm going to select from my template. There are two tabs here. Clark County School District only has one template there, so make sure you've clicked where it says General. And I've asked you to select either a letter that you would send to parents or a newsletter template that you would edit to communicate with parents. It is one of the NEPF standards, so I thought this would be a great tie-in to meeting that standard and learning a little bit about Google Templates. So let's go ahead and scroll down. And here's 3 different types of business letters. You may select any one. This one's more informal. This one's a little bit more of a business letter, whichever one you would like to use if you want to do a letter. I'm going to scroll on down, and there should be some newsletters. Okay, here's a newsletter, and here's a couple newsletters down here. So again, I don't care which one you pick. Just pick one that you would like to explore. I'm going to select this one here just by clicking on it twice to open it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just make sure I have it named. It's going to be Module 2, and it's Lesson 2. Okay, so that way I can find it quickly, because I'm going to be using this actually for a couple lessons in this module, so I want to be able to find it quickly. So the first thing I want you to do is make some changes to it. So instead of Weekly Digest, HeartWorks Weekly Digest, you might want to say Grade 5 Weekly News, whatever you want it to do. And something here, read on for more information. Again, I don't care what you put in here. Now this kind of text here, this lorem ipsum, is just filler text. If you don't want it, you can remove it. This might be week of October 6th. Again, I want you to do some changes so I can see that you can get in there and edit the template. You will, if you want to change a picture and you know how to do it, go ahead and do that right now if you'd like to. So I've made some changes, and that's as far as I'm going to go for this first part of the lesson. The next part of it is I want to look at version history. So I'm going to create a new video for that in exploring version history. So for now, I'm going to pause this. I'm going to stop this video. Keep this document open, because in the next lesson, you're going to be using the same document to explore version history.